Winter's here, and your aquarium feels it. Cold snaps can stress fish, cloud water, and even cause losses. Today, I'll give you a simple step-by-step winter checklist to keep your fish healthy and thriving until spring. First and foremost, temperature stability is absolutely essential for a healthy aquarium. It's not just about keeping the water warm. Consistency is what truly matters for your fish and aquatic life. Fish rely on a stable water temperature for their health and well-being. Even small fluctuations can stress them out, weaken their immune systems, and make them more vulnerable to diseases and infections. A sudden drop or spike in temperature can be especially dangerous for sensitive species. Always make sure your heater is properly rated for your tank's size, or even choose one slightly larger if you live in a colder climate or during winter months. This helps maintain a steady temperature, even when room temperatures fluctuate. Place a reliable thermometer at the opposite end of the tank from your heater. This ensures you're getting an accurate reading and that heat is distributed evenly throughout the aquarium. For extra peace of mind, consider installing a backup heater, set a couple degrees lower than your main one. This acts as insurance in case your primary heater fails, preventing sudden temperature drops. Remember, a stable temperature is the foundation of a thriving aquarium. When you get this right, you're already halfway to creating a safe and comfortable home for your fish. Everything else in your aquarium care routine builds on this warm, steady environment. So make temperature stability your top priority. With temperature set, let's talk food. Less is more in winter. Fish metabolism slows, so overfeeding risks ammonia spikes in cloudy water. Cut feeding by 20–30%, and only give what they'll eat in 30 seconds. Focus on high-quality, easily digestible food. This keeps your fish healthy and your water clean. Next, boost oxygen and water movement. Sealed-up homes mean less fresh air for your tank, reducing oxygen exchange. Maximize surface agitation with your filter outflow or an air stone. Bubbles break up stagnant air and keep oxygen levels high. A small wave maker helps eliminate dead spots. Good water movement means healthier, more active fish. During winter, your tank's beneficial bacteria become less active as temperatures drop, which means they process waste more slowly than usual. This slowdown can cause water quality to deteriorate quickly, sometimes before you even notice visible changes in your tank. To stay ahead of problems, test for ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate every week using a reliable liquid test kit, not just test strips. Record your results in a logbook to help you spot any trends or sudden changes early, before they become serious. If you detect any ammonia or nitrite at all, act immediately by performing a partial water change to dilute toxins and protect your fish. Always make sure the new water matches the tank's temperature to avoid shocking your aquatic pets. With consistent, attentive maintenance, you'll keep harmful toxins under control and ensure a healthy environment all winter long. Winter brings noise, guests, and changes. Stressful for fish. Chronic stress weakens immunity and invites disease. Use a timer for consistent lighting, 8 to 10 hours a day. Remind family and guests, no tapping on the glass. Keep tanks away from high traffic or noisy spots. A calm, predictable environment is the final key to winter health. That's your 5-point winter survival plan. Focus on stability above all else. Keeping your aquarium's temperature steady is the foundation for healthy, happy fish during the colder months. Practice smart feeding, avoid overfeeding, and make sure your fish get the right nutrition. Maintain strong oxygen levels with good aeration to support their health. Keep the water clean with regular maintenance and water changes, and always minimize stress for your fish to help them stay resilient. If problems pop up, don't panic. Check your heater, test your water parameters, and boost aeration right away to quickly restore balance in your tank. With this plan, your fish will not only survive but truly thrive all winter long. And when spring arrives, they'll greet the new season in top shape, full of energy and color. Like and subscribe for more simple, effective aquarium tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.